Business owners, if you guys have been thinking about upgrading your truck or SUV, Section 179 is back and better for 2025. Section 179 allows you to deduct the cost of the full vehicle amount for qualifying vehicles in the same year that it is put into commission versus spreading it out over a variety of different years. For 2025, the maximum Section 179 deduction is set at $1.25 million, with a phase out starting at about $3.13 million in total equipment purchases for the year. So if you guys are buying or looking at a vehicle that is used for 50% or more of business use and it has a curb weight or a gross vehicle weight rating of over 6,000 pounds, you might be eligible for a very large tax deduction on that particular vehicle. And sometimes even the entire vehicle can be written off depending on your income as well as the vehicle type. Let's go ahead and break it down by the vehicles that we sell here at AppleAutos that are eligible for this Section 179. Most trims of the Ford F-150, the F-250, the F-350, the Ford Expedition, and the Ford Transit cargo van typically all qualify. From our Lincoln brand, we have the Navigator and the Navigator L, which are great luxury daily driver write-offs. And over at Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, the Ram 1500, at least most trims of it, the 2500, the 3500, the ProMaster, the Jeep Grand Wagoneer, and some other large models like the Durango could qualify for that Section 179. All of these large vehicles that can be used for business purposes can now be written off in the same business year that they are put into commission. To make sure that you guys qualify, this vehicle has to go into commission by December 31st of the year that you are trying to write off. So of 2025, when you file taxes for 2025, it needs to be put into commission by December 31st. It has to be used primarily for business purposes, and it has to have a GVWR, a gross vehicle weight rating of 6,000 pounds or higher. We also have a Ford Pro Elite Commercial Center if you guys are looking for something that's completely decked out, when we're talking about full beds that are done up for particular industries, like whether it's cell phone tower construction, whatever your industry is, we have a full Ford Pro Elite Commercial Center that's designed specifically for vehicles like this. Also, make sure that you guys talk directly to your tax advisor. We are just trying to be here to help if you guys are looking for something to purchase, or make sure you have a large enough write-off going into the 2026 year. Make sure you are talking to your tax advisor to make sure that you are eligible for this. He's going to be far more knowledgeable about whatever you have going on. We are not tax experts by any means. If you are looking for a big write-off, be sure to contact us here at AppleAutos. We are happy to help get you into the perfect vehicle that will ensure that you have a large enough write-off for the 2025 year of taxes. Be sure to give us a follow for more business tips and business insights.